Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
आमच्याकडे आज एक अशी डोनर असा ऑर्गन डोनर who was working in Goa at Mopa airport. He was just 22-year-old ground staff, and his head injury was quite severe, and his score was 5, GCS score. So when score is 5, sometimes it becomes very difficult for a person to survive. The patient is a native of Kerala, and we also were trying our best because of his age. He should be put to action or he should survive. But not to our this, he had a brain death very early. After 6 days, the first apnea test came positive. At this time, we felt that being a young patient, he could donate his organs for the benefit of patients who are on our Goa wait list for kidneys and other organs. We had put on ROTO, that is regional tissue transplant, and there was a recipient for the liver outside Goa, that is Aurangabad. So this organ was taken to Aurangabad as per the ROTO, classification, as per the ROTO priority.
पेशंट कितले वेटिंग लिस्टून जाणे अशे
Now almost 6 are covered in this month only. Means beginning of 6 patients have received kidney. I think another 20, 48 are waiting.